Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Bear Giant's Red Stripe launches live year-long concert series dubbed Stand Up for Our Musical Roots. The premiere event pulled a huge crowd at the Red Stripe Oval on Friday night. Dancehall artists Tifa and Agent Sasko, Rygan King and Pastor Stephen Blake delivered exceptional sets. Pastor stood out as the night's best performer.
Earth rightful ruler, I mean them call the real pastor. Me and my father are regular. In the Lamuk when me register.
As the only female dancehall entertainer on the live show, Tifa announced that she will not be retiring from music before delivering her usual energetic performance.
So for a couple of years, well now, them want me retire. If you don't want to see Tifa stay in a dancehall music, make some noise. They never know, they believe in a thing called over.
Agent Sasko maintained the upbeat vibes as he too gave an extended performance, giving us hits like Step On Them, My Idiot Ting, before performing newer tracks.
Again it's we put your first and second and watch your blessings come. Oh yes, it is a miracle to make your thing shot and not end up a gun. Go, end up a gun. Say, The
series will continue for the rest of the year and will make stops across other parishes.
What you're going to see is that we're going to activate the bars in Kingston. So if you are a singer, if you're a performer, you will see notices that tell you which bar to come to perform at. So you can possibly end up on the main stage at one of the Red Stripe Live.
Red Stripe plans on taking consumers on a journey from the grassroots to the pinnacle of Jamaican music and all the intricate flavors it offers in between. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.